Hello guys! Kumusta kayong lahat? Ayan, weekend ngayon may pupuntahan kami. So, paalis na kami ngayon. Since magwa 1 year na nga pong hindi ako nakapag-vlog. So, naisipan ko pong mag-vlog today kasi itong travel namin na to is surprise ni Mr. So, ayan. So, it's very special for me. So, kailangan ko siyang i-vlog. So, ayan. Samahan niyo po kami guys sa aming adventure kung saan kami papunta. Ayan guys, at meron tayong snacks dito, saktong-sakto, dahil meron akong kape. So, 8:30 pa lang ngayon ng umaga at wala pa kaming almusal. So, ito muna ang aming oh, this one looks good. That one is the cookie. Oh, there are two. Okay. Kape tayo guys. Grab some sandwiches kasi mga gutom na. Tingnan natin kung ano yung makukuha nila dun sa loob. Alin yung Madonna? They said that's Madonna. So yan, dito kami guys sa Harrisburg, Pennsylvania. Probably. Oo, because he's asking for the passport, right? Hula namin papunta kami ng Canada. Ang layo pa nun. Ang layo pa. Mga siguro, mga 8 hours, oo. Mga 6 to 7 hours ang biyahe papunta doon. Ayaw niyang sabihin kung saan kami pupunta. So, naghuhula-hulaan lang kami. This way is down on me. You got me on my knees. Won't you feel it? Sweetness and light for my restless mind. Please give. Ayan guys, kapag hindi ako yung nagdadrive, ako yung taga-charge ng tablet, taga-charge ng cellphone. Ayan, ako yung malapit sa lahat, taga-distribute ng pagkain, taga-tapon ng basura. Ayan. So, ganun po talaga kapag nasa mahaba-habang biyahe para hindi kalat-kalat yung sasakyan pagbaba namin. So, ready na itapon yung basura kapag nag-stop kami sa mga gas station. Ayan. So, batang namamayong sa loob ng sasakyan. Or in the other side. There you go. There. There you go, Hannibal. Can you sing? Georgia. Wow. Run me up and down your Ito nga guys, after 2 hours and a half, papasok na kami sa New York State. Ayan. So, dire-diretso na siyang part ng New York State hanggang sa boundary ng Ontario, Canada. It's not New York City. Christmas tree farm. Nagbibiyahe kami papuntang north, so pababa naman ng pababa yung temperature. Talagang mararamdaman mo yung lamig. So ngayon nasa 8 degrees Celsius na. Ayan, exit muna kami guys kasi kailangan na mag-CR and lumalambit na. Maglalagay ako ng jacket. It says what?
Chicken.
Kulit talaga to siya. Are you cold?
No. Perfectly fine.
Yeah.
Fine.
Okay.
Can I sit in the front seat?
No.
What? I'm 10 years old. I'm kidding.
Am I gonna get her jacket?
I'm not 10 years old. That's it.
Huh?
My jacket too, would you?
Here.
Thank you.
Kalkal tayo ng gamit sa dakwan na ba yan? Puro talahibo. Ang itong guro na. Ay, naging ginsik ko. Yan guys, pagkatapos naming magbawas ito at bumalik na kami sa sasakyan, back on the road again. So we still have 5 hours driving. Pag sinabi mo New York is yung pumapasok agad sa isip mo yung city na maraming mga buildings yan. Pero dito po sa countryside niya is karamihan po is farming yung ikinabubuhay ng mga tao. So marami pong nagpa-farm dito. Church, oh. It's a big one.
They look like that.
Wow.
Every single house is like that.
So pretty. Oh, wow, look at that.
They have it's called Mansion Row.
Yeah.
And it's just all old mansions. You can buy them pretty cheap.
Yeah, but the taxes, right? Oh, the funeral home. Ooh, look at these.
Well, not only that, but you gotta pay to fix it.
Yeah, the rent.
So huge.
People are just sitting in the road. In
This is
the.
candy cane lane.
Oh, this is nice. I like this little town.
Is that a stadium?
Yeah. They're building a stadium.
There's
It's-
one here.
That's their old stadium.
And what's wrong with the old one?
Look how small it is.
That's a big one.
yan po, after 6 hours, dito na kami sa Buffalo, New York. Po silang football team na tinatawag na Buffalo Bills. So, yan din po yung aming team. Kaya, hindi namin palalagpasin yung pagkakataon at bababa po kami at pupunta po sa kanilang shop at magtingin-tingin po ng kanilang mga merchandise. So, tara po, sama kayo sa amin. Ayan, at nakikita nyo naman po yung kanilang mga merchandise. Ayan, talagang mga legit po yan. Lahat original. So, ayan, at ako ay mahilig sa sombrero. So, kukuha po ako ng isang sombrero. There's a blue there. It would be nice for Hannah, huh? Blue. This all different. This way is down on me. Maybe I'll get you got me on my knees. Ayan, at dito po kami sa labas ng kanilang stadium. Mag-picture muna kami para may souvenir. So, yan, bago po ipagpatuloy ang aming biyahe dahil meron pa po kaming 1 hour bago po makarating sa border ng Canada.
Nice place to go eat.
Ayan, so sa nakikita nyo po, yan po ang Buffalo City. So nakikita nyo po maraming mga old buildings at saka mga factories. Dito po kasi dati ginagawa yung mga steels, yung mga bakal po na sinusupply sa Amerika, yung mga pinapatayong building yan. Halos dito po lahat kumukuha. So, ayan, pero ngayon abandon na po siya. Ito po at papasok na po kami sa border ng US and Canadian border. So, yan po. Ipiprepare ko yung aming mga kakailanganin. They have little duty free in there. That's cool.
Buy United States.
Buy United States.
Ready?
Yep.
See if it feels different. Oh. As soon as we get halfway over, should be Canada. Isn't that beautiful?
Yeah.
Doesn't that look like the ocean, Shane?
Yan guys.
Look at that.
Yan yung United States. Ito yung Canada. Sa kabila. Yung pagitan nila ay itong river na to. They said, welcome to Canada, Hannah Bear.
Oh my god, is it cold?
Yeah, it's colder here than where we at earlier. Yan na yung border nila dyan.
Is it like really?
Yan guys, dito na tayo sa border ng Canada. So, yung passport namin pala is yung card lang. So, yan guys, yung gamit namin is ano lang, passport card. Guys, dito na kami sa Canada. There you go. So, ayan po, nakapasok na kami sa Canada at meron pa po kaming 30 minutes drive bago po kami makarating sa aming hotel. Tignan niyo yun guys, that's a graveyard.
Is that a church?
Graveyard. Grape farm. That's pretty. It looks like university. Oh yeah, church. That's a nice church. Lady of Peace, Roman Catholic Church. The Marriott in there. Yan, dito na kami guys.
I know we'll make it right. We've been here before. I know we crossed the line. It's hard to ignore.
Yun.
This way.
Guys, nakikita nyo yung sa dashboard namin, yung ambon-ambon na yan na tubig. Galing po yan sa falls. Bali, yan yung pinaka-mist niya na lumilipad po. Parang umuulan. So, yan guys, dito na kami sa Niagara Falls. Yan, nandyan siya. Tingnan nyo, may jacuzzi dyan. So, yan guys, dito kami sa Marriott. Yan. Ang ganda ng kanilang hall dito. Ang laki ng chandelier. Nice. In-upgrade kami. So maghihintay pa kami kasi wala pang room. So, lalabas muna kami and then gagala-gala konti. Guys, ang laki ng Fridays dito. No. Yeah, that's fine. You wanna go there? American Italians.
Are you a jacket for her?
It's in a bag, your bag. Kaya talon-talon tayo dito. Wala.
Ready?
Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, Shin, let's go, Shin! Oh no, come on! Oh my God!
Let's go!
Takot tumawid.
You wanna go back there?
Guys, dito kami sa Fridays. Hanap na kaming restaurant at gutom na ang lahat. Wala po kaming almusal, tanghalian. So, at ngayon po ay mag-aalas 6 na. So, kailangan na po kumain ng mga bata at si Mr. parang medyo masama na yung pakiramdam niya. So, eto at nakahanap na kami ng restaurant finally kasi kanina punong-puno yung mga ibang restaurant na nadaanan namin. So, ito na lang yung malapit sa hotel namin. Nalagpasan namin to kanina at bumalik kami. So, ayan, at dito po kami kakain ngayon.
No, definitely not.
Thank you. Ayan guys, meron tayong pa-margarita dito. Ayan, sa kanya beer. Cheers! And then, yung mga bata nag-blue raspberry. Grabe, punong-puno naman ng ice to. Yan guys, hati kami ni Hana. Kain tayo guys. Hana Bear, kaon na.
Very often crazy traffic. I'll take care of the door for you. Go and get a peek at the view and I'll put everything.
Alright, so this is the room.
Make my life a lot easier, right?
So, which one's... What the heck?
Hold on, we'll wait for Papa. He decide where. Yan, so meron ditong living room, guys.
Look at that.
Oh, it's right there. That is the
View from outside.
Oh, okay. So, yan guys, Niagara Falls.
Wow.
How's the view?
Good. It's beautiful.
It's gonna be better in the morning.
Yeah. So, ayan po yung aming view dito sa aming room. So, bandang kanan po ay part po siya ng Ontario, Canada. And then sa kabila po, kaliwa po na part ay part po siya ng US. So, ayan. So, hanggang dito na lang po ang aking video. Ayan, see you po sa aming mga adventure pa bukas. So, ayan. Alas 9 na po dito. So, kailangan na po namin magpahinga. So, dahil po para bukas ay meron po tayong energy. Ayan. See you next time po. Thank you. Bye.